It's foggy. Star Wars! Oh, Steve. It's a little foggy today, I just want to let you know.
That's why I brought my anti-fog goggles. No fog at all!
Why can't I get goggles like that?
Forgot to charge the bucket.
You writing this on 3S?
Right.
That should be good. This is Yure's answer as a dolly for launching Steve's jet. And it's made out of some old RC car from his kid. And I don't know what else.
A cutting board.
Cutting board. Is this thing steer okay?
Yeah, you will see. Look at the mechanism.
Well, there you go. Got shocks and everything.
Okay.
All right. That's pretty quick. Should have enough speed to launch a jet. Yeah, that steering's great. That's the famous Jojo. Jojo!
Leave it.
Jojo ain't gonna leave it. And then we have Lily. Here comes Jojo.
They build a battery compartment, it doesn't fit the battery.
Dude, that's
Can't
like,
fly with the thing open.
How do you do this again?
that's how a lot of these come.
You have to bind it. Turn it on, an arm like an ESC. Go
Yeah,
full
throttle up.
on the left
Up, down,
and
down.
back.
there it
Oh,
goes.
now.
Yeah!
Now it.
No trim buttons.
Who needs trim? You know, the full-scale TIE fighter has no trim either. It's a hard thing to fly. It's kind of like a sop with camel
I need to take my gloves off.
of starfighters. Whoops.
Oh, wait.
I think you have a problem.
Oh, wait.
It's upside down. He puts it upside down.
Sorry. Hey, what's going on here? I forgot to bring my night goggles.
Yeah, no, you
look at that.
You had to kind of special see through the hole.
Yeah.
Stay on the ground and go through the mud.
Oh, nice. Oh, hey, I can see you now.
Oh, hey, how's it go? Yeah, can I borrow those so I can fly, or
No.
are they just for you?
It's just for me, sorry.
Oh, all right. Thanks for sharing. Still foggy. Somebody has to go first in this fog. I nominate Yuri.
I get the tomatoes.
Well, I'll watch your plane disappear.
Oh my God, Yuri. Turd!
And it's gone.
No fear! Oh my God.
Oh, it's gone. Oh, there it is.
Oh, lost there.
Yuri has no fear.
I don't think
Why
so.
plane in the fog?
No, I'm looking for something to keep the battery from moving in there.
Oh, that's the plane for today.
I was gonna say, you can see it out in the ocean.
Yeah, nice. I always like orange planes.
Okay, we got a CG that's gonna keep moving. That's gonna keep our skills top notch.
So the battery's loose,
Yes.
and you're just gonna fly it anyway?
Yes. Is that okay?
This is why stuff happens. I like your canopy attachment.
Oh, thank you. Custom.
That's, yeah. It's really scale.
Yeah. Maybe it was. Oh no!
Oh, I guess they don't work.
No!
Good help is hard to find. You're slowing up, man. Nails it.
Oh, y'all! Flare! Oh yeah.
Good job. It's awesome. Good job.
Yeah. Hey, I'm gonna climb on in. I'm just gonna go around my airplane, make sure everything's good, the wings looking good. Yeah. Okay, where's the doorway to get in this sucker?
Uh-oh. This is called the walk of shame. Are they going to the outhouse? Or are they going to pick up Yuri's plane? Oh yeah, they're going to get the plane. I don't know what happened. It's a beautiful sunny day.
You're really good at vlogging.
Jonathan said I'm really good at vlogging.
It has a door.
Door. Awesome. Well, that's a lot of rudder in that mix.
Working and something got jammed in the. He didn't turn the inboard.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Serious? We have to go down to that area. Oh, yeah. Nice. Cool. Ooh, yeah.
Or soccer or baseball today, huh? One good thing.
Whoa.
I got a present for Steve. I got a discount because the Steve is crooked. Steve, I got you a present I forgot to give it to you.
Alaska!
Oh.
I got it cheap because the Steve's crooked. See?
Oh, the Steve is crooked.
Yeah.
They drink a lot
I like
in Alaska.
that. They think a lot. Yeah, did you carve that out?
No, they might have stamped it a little crooked.
Let me see if I have my Maserati keys. Oh, I got my Maserati.
Oh, yeah, okay.
keys. Got it next to the Maserati and Porsche
There you go.
and Lexus.
fast, Jure.
Yeah. Thanks,
Now
Jonathan.
you know who you are, man.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Fist bump.
Anytime. Baked potato, French fries.
Thanks, dude.
Do, 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 do.
Doesn't it look like a
Do,
Marcus
do,
car
do.
with
We got a battle.
does big art. Do a 4x4.
Who won? Look, someone's having a temper tantrum.
There we go. He's headed for you. Oh! The 1970s. Here he's doing donuts.
Oh, I heard something break.
You trying to shave my legs? Nice.
Really?
Sorry. Is it okay?
Of course it is. You gotta buy me a new TIE Fighter. 2.5
You don't mess with
million.
the truck.
I'm okay. I'm okay.
Okay, looks good, looks good. When it's foggy, you just do what you can.
Well, you see, that's. Wait a second, that's a little fast.
What the? Oh, you're gonna be wet.
It's smoking. Short circuit.
Sure you wanted to splash it.
Not over my blade, man. Put it on the ground. Go, go, go.
No, no control.
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 No, go to the outhouse.
Hey, I
Look, no.
It's going, dude. It's still going. I think it. It stopped.
Where is it? I still hear it.
Yeah, it's out in the grass.
I mean, that's not halfway safe.
It's not good in water, man. It's the water that did it.
Maybe the-
It's still running. That was good.
That was
We could have just kept going.
yeah. All right.
It might never have come back.
Fly away car.
Runaway car. We're still running.
That was hilarious.
Now I think
I need to put it in the dryer when you get home.
Well, this fog ain't gonna clear up, but we still have fun. We'll see you guys next time. And don't forget your helmet. Safety first, Yuri.
I have no comment.
Safety first.